Hello and welcome to the channel. Just pulled into the house, check my front garden beds. I have a lot of cleanup to do. It's not going to happen right now, but I want to show you what I just found, and I have no idea how it even got there. Maybe transferred soil? I don't know, but let's go take a look and see. All right, everybody. So disregard all the weeds. It's been raining. It's going to rain again in a couple of hours, so I won't be out here weeding. I just went in the backyard, grabbed a pot because I think I have something growing out of the ground up here that I don't want right here. I do want it, and I think I know what it is. Tell me if you think I'm right. Growing beside this beautiful lamb's ear that is a transplant. I took a piece of this from the mother plant from the opposite side of the garden, and this is what I found today. And if memory serves me correctly, this is a sensitive plant, a mimosa. The leaves are supposed to curl, and it's not doing that. So, but I think this could very well be a mimosa. What do you guys think? Give me your thoughts in the comments below. I'm gonna dig it up, put it in a pot, and put it in the greenhouse. Or actually, I'm just gonna put it on the back porch. I'm not gonna put it in the greenhouse because I wanna keep an eye on it, and I wanna make sure that I'm watering it. And it's been out here in full sun, so it doesn't really need to go in the greenhouse. But you know what? I'm transplanting it, so I might need to cover it up. We'll see. Hang on, let's see. I only have my phone in my hand. I don't have my tripod, so I can't do this with one hand. I want to try to get as much root as I possibly can, but I'm going to dig this out and put it in a pot. So let's see what I can do with one hand. I try to dig it out without disturbing the root. So let's get this in the back garden and let's see if we can keep an eye on it and figure out what it is. I really think it's a mimosa. So I brought it in the backyard and set it on the table, and it hasn't been out of the soil for less than a couple of minutes, and the leaves look horrible, so it could very well be a mimosa. I am going to put some rainwater on it, and I'm going to get it into the greenhouse, and I'll take a look at it tomorrow. I'm gonna sit it, I'm gonna sit it right here, and I'm gonna get some water. Hang on a minute, you all. I'm gonna get some rainwater, and I'm gonna put some rainwater on it to seed it in, as well as to moisten the soil. I'm just gonna put a little bit of water on, and it rained horribly last night, but the top of that soil looks terrible. So I'm gonna put her in the greenhouse. So let's go do that, because it's looking really sad for itself. And all I did was walk through the house. So let's walk to the greenhouse. I know it's blurry. Hold that thought. We're walking to the greenhouse. Okay. And in the greenhouse we are. And we're just gonna place it right there. And I'll come take a look at it tomorrow. It's gonna sit right next to the coffee plant. Coffee plant is looking really weird. There's something going on with that leaf right there, but I'll figure that out. So we're gonna leave that right there, and we'll see what it looks like tomorrow. I hope it doesn't die, because I have wanted a coffee plant, and I have tried for quite some time to get one. I have a tag in here somewhere. Let me look for it. I found the tag that I made. I think it ended up being a mimosa, because I used some soil when I was trying to put some seedlings in the front garden. So I really think this is a mimosa. It hasn't been here that long, but as you can see, it is curled in on itself. I'm going to leave it and keep an eye on it, but I really do think that it is a mimosa. So let me know what you think in the comment box below. And I do apologize if you all can hear my neighbor's children. They're out playing, so I'm trying to hurry this up. I do apologize if I sound rushed, but I think this is a mimosa. I think that a seed was in some soil that I used up front when I was taking seedlings and putting them in the front garden. Let me know what you think, but I'm going to keep an eye on it. You can grow a mimosa in the house, but I don't think that it would do well in the house. What I do plan on doing is taking it along with the coffee plant into the garage during the winter and put it in the garage greenhouse and see if I can overwinter it, because I really would like a mimosa, and I plan on putting it in a nice sized pot, and that way it can sit out in the garden, because if I'm not mistaken, what I read is that you can grow it in a pot. So we're going to keep an eye on it, and I'll keep you abreast of what's going on with this little find. But let me know if you think this is a mimosa in the description box below. Day 2, going into the greenhouse. A tremendous amount of mosquitoes out. I just got home. I am not going to be out here long because my arms are exposed, but I'm checking on this little plant, and it is all closed up, but it is wet, so I'm not going to fool with it. We're going to see what happens. Keep an eye on it. All right, everybody, the sun is going down. I'm just getting home. I just came out to check the greenhouse, that little plant that I dug out of the ground yesterday. As you can see, that it is looking quite sad and sorry for itself. I think that's going to be the video for the week. It's going to be a short one, and I do apologize. But I want to say thank you for joining me for that quick little clip. The mosquitoes are out, and so I am not going to be out here for no more than just a few more moments. I feel itchy because I'm seeing mosquitoes. So we're gonna go. But thanks for joining me in the garden. I hope you enjoyed this quick clip. My arms are out, so I'm feeling quite exposed, and y'all can see I'm moving around. I'm moving, y'all. Thank you for joining me in the garden. Oh, that's what I forgot to get. I was at my sister's house, and she's got some longevity spinach. I meant to snag a piece. No, Okinawan spinach. I have longevity spinach, so I'm gonna take some longevity to her and snag a piece of that Okinawan, because mine didn't fare well, but that's all right. I'm seeing flies, y'all. I got to go because we got way too much going on with flies in South Texas. Way too much. So thank you again for joining me in the garden. I will keep you abreast of what's going on in the greenhouse with that little plant. Hit that like button, share the video, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think it is. Yeah, do all the things. And if no one's told you today that you are loved, wanted, and very much needed in the world, you are. Yes, you are. So with that being said, I've got to run. I'm seeing flies, I'm seeing mosquitoes, and there's way too much going on with all that in South Texas. So I gotta go. Bye for now. Let's run, y'all. Let's run. Let's run.